Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to apply for Doordash as a merchant. Now if you want to apply as a Doordash merchant and you want to start selling your food but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If you have a restaurant or a store and you want to sell your food on Doordash, then make sure to sign up and you may simply start getting orders from Doordash and your restaurant will be renowned and you will be able to get a lot of customers if you do it in these steps. Now to do so, you need to simply open Google Chrome or any web browser that is suitable to you. So simply open it and you need to simply search Doordash merchant. Now you may simply click on the option of Doordash merchant portal, and after opening it you need to simply fill the business details like the name, address and the type of the business which you want, and you need to choose a pricing plan. So Doordash takes a percentage per sale of the products which you sell. So you need to choose a pricing plan and you need to upload the menu and the pricing of the restaurant, and once Doordash approves it, you will be start to get orders from it and you will be able to deliver it from the Doordash app. So by doing all of it, you will be able to apply as a Doordash merchant on Doordash. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.